All right, kiddos, as mentioned, there is three sources that you're going to be reading and analyzing in order to understand this question. Remember, this is our purpose. This is what we need to understand and be able to write about at the end of our lesson. How does Sharia law show Abbasid values? I'm going to read source A to give you an idea what kind of question you guys will be asking yourselves when reading this and how to annotate. So here we go. Source 8. Who must pray? Reliance of the Traveler, Classic Manual of Islamic Sharia Law. Remember, the headings always have a clue, so that kind of tells us what we're going to be reading about. So we're learning more about the Sharia law, what kind of laws it tells Muslims to how they should behave, right? The legal basis for prayer is the Quranic verses, such as the word of Allah, Most High, and perform the prayer. Quran chapter 2, verse 43. Someone raised among Muslims who denies the requirement of the prayer, zakat, fasting, Ramadan, and the pilgrimage, or the unlawfulness of wine and adultery, or denies something else upon which there is scholarly consequences. It's the agreement of Muslim law, and which is unnecessarily known as being of religion, shall become an unbeliever, kafir, and shall be executed for his unbelief, especially if he does not admit that he is mistaken and acknowledge the obligatories, the requirement nature, or unlawfulness of which he has been agreed upon as Muslim law. So this is giving us a very little glimpse of how people should act and what will happen if they don't follow the law, if they don't follow Sharia law. So as we can see, Sharia law is it's kind of strict, isn't it? Right over here, prayer, zakat, fasting, and the pilgrimage. Remember, what are those? They're important basis of Islamic beliefs. What are those five or four pillars that they're mentioning there? Okay. And right on the bottom, you have a question to answer. What is the basis of this portion of Sharia law? What is it saying about Sharia law? What should they follow? And who is giving these orders? Who came up with these ideas? Okay. As you guys read sources B and C, think about that as well. Make sure you answer this question because that's really gonna help us at the end when we're writing our exit ticket about this. Okay. Questions, problems, or anything that you need help with, please let me know. I'm available as always, but make sure that you complete this before class, okay? I will see you at 11 o'clock. Bye, kiddos.